Namar makuat kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri pop sudah. Himdan hi ka boarding Bnai yang ni.
Suam mem ta. Ngalai ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ben niap bak cingdum.
Himdan la Hapoh Jylliew pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Hadin bakasin Hashillong Lok Sabha kelas 3 na du Bnai rempang. U Chief Electoral Officer ka Jylliew Dr. BDR Tiwari. Hakar Jylliew a Japan Rio ula pentip baya ka election la deben pelong no Hapoh on Rio Bnai nakadaw ka jing klat no jong MP Barim. Haka jing kren bakilat patai khubor u Dr. Tiwari ulaong. Pakat kum karukom ya ka election chiteng samay deben pelong no Hapoh on Rio Bnai hadin ka jing klat no jong MP ka Hashillong Parliamentary Constituency pat kumbalong menta katanat pinya election kala pengkreat na dong syadong ban pelong ya ka ni ka election. Kuman chipen kan mau Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ubami khmat yak Hashillong seat sa Lok Sabha ulaklat no aka khandai tarik rumpang arja pun riau. Ka National People's Party ka babat yo lakam sensyara ka jala kala penyang do Presiden ka Khasi Otter Society u Dr. DRL Nonglan kum ukur tong kat ba ka Voice of the People Party ka basyong hakaliang persya kala penyakhon da Professor Batskem Merbo. Haka baydey baka election sa Rajya Sabha na ka jala u Dr. Tiwari ula pentip baka election kan salong la kumnu hau Bnai Jylliew. Syaban kut kesamay jung MP pementa u Dr. WR Karluhi.
Basically, as per the mandate, it supposed to happen within the 6 months of the demise of the Honorable late MP of the Hashillong Parliamentary Constituency. So, within 6 months.
You are prepared? The election mission?
We are fully prepared. No, as per the schedule it is being given, so accordingly very soon, before at least the seat is getting, and expected by, I hope so, somewhere in month of June. The schedule as per given by the Election Commission, accordingly the house to house survey will also be there, and the entire exercise as per schedule it will go.
Usually how much time?
Usually I can't say, whatever schedule will be provided, accordingly it will be there.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Hashillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.